What's up, everybody, and welcome to Burton's Beard Reviews. My name's Scott, and I'm super excited that you guys are here watching this video. Let's just jump right into it, man, because I got so much I want to say about this company because I've been using their beard oil now for the last couple of weeks, and I'm just a big fan of it. I'm super pumped to find another Canadian beard company that I can not only showcase here on the channel, but ultimately that I get to actually use in my beard on a day-to-day basis, and I'm just pumped about that. This company is called Top Hat Beard Co., and what I really love about this is that this is a company, it started with James and Amanda, and they're from Southern Ontario, Canada. They got an incredible story. I encourage you guys to go onto their website and actually look at their story for yourself. They've got some amazing products here, man. They got the 3 that I've tried so far, including a beard wash, which is like a lather conditioning kind of wash. Man, that thing slaps. It's so good. I really enjoy it. I've had no issues while using it. Very easy to apply. A little goes a long way, as I like to say here. And man, it's a really good beard oil, or sorry, a really good beard wash. It's definitely on rotation for me, and I've got so much beard wash now. I'm just like, before I had none, now I'm getting more, and it's like, oh, I'm so thankful because this stuff is so good for our beards, man. And so let's just jump into this though, because we got 3 beard oils, like scent profiles, that I want to talk about here. And my wife has this rule. And she's always said this about when it comes to the beard products that I'm using. She'll say this, she'll say, Scott, if I can't enjoy this in candle form, then I don't really like it. And I don't know if I'm going to like it on you. And the thing is that it's like, I love my wife, and, I agree with her. There's a lot of scent profiles that the first thing she'll do is she'll sniff it and she'll go, it would smell amazing in a candle. And she's right. Like, she's totally right. There are 2 that she did not like. I'm so sorry. But again, it's not her scent profile that she likes, and that's okay. There is one though that she really does like, because I think it's pretty, close to home. It's a very easy scent profile to get on board with. But for me, I actually liked all 3 of them. I know, surprise, surprise, right? Like, when do I never not like something? But I do. I actually, they've grown on me a little bit. The one here that I'm going to share with you guys, and if you go onto their website under our story, they have all the different scent profiles that you can look at. They have 4. So they have 5 scent profiles, and then 1 is an unscented. So again, if you guys are not into the scents, or actually you have a sensitive nose and you can't actually have anything scent related, don't worry, that's okay. That's why companies actually make the unscented oils, so that you can still enjoy the actual product. It just won't have a scent profile to it, and that's okay. It's really good. But they got one on here. It's called Black Tie Affair. Like, I'm gonna buy this one next time. It's eucalyptus, peppermint, key lime. That sounds amazing. This other one here, it's called Old Fashioned, and it's pink grapefruit, black spruce, and black pepper. Like, that smells really good. Like, that smells like sharp. The Black Tie Affair, it's got peppermint in it. To be honest with you, I actually am kind of shocked that I didn't buy that one. I love mint, so the fact that I didn't buy it is ridiculous. What's wrong with me? But I wanted to try 3 different ones that, again, there's one that I was like, I want to try this because I think this is going to be a really good scent profile for the summertime. And the other 2, honestly, they were a gamble. They really were a gamble, but they were intriguing. So let's talk about them. So the first one I want to talk about is kind of like the first one if I were to rate them, what I had, Penthouse is number 1, Grand Piano comes in at number 2, and then this one right here, known as Lavender Latte, is number 3 for me. Now, Lavender Latte, like, you guys just look at these bottles, like, they look fantastic, right? I love the fog kind of bottles. I like the white toppers. I think they're great. The droppers are very easy to use. You know, once you when you squeeze the top part there, you get about like half the dropper size. The viscosity level to this, I would say, is I think it's kind of on the medium to almost thick side. I think it's a dent. It feels dense, which I like that, especially for my kind of beard. Like it just really meshes well with it, which I like it. I do like the labeling right here with the lavender latte. That just really makes the bottle pop, and it's really cool. The logo is really cool. Labeling is really nice. The one thing I wish that they would put on here is more so just the actual scent profile, which they don't have on here. So I would really love to see that in the near future. Honestly, I know it sounds ridiculous, but like, I really do like it when companies just put somewhere on the bottle, this product smells like this. Like, just take your scent profile that you have on your website and put it on the bottle. And that's just an added touch. That's just me. I've been saying that for a long time. Really do like that. Some people don't care, but that's just one thing I'd add to it. But this actual scent profile smells really good. And it's very self-explanatory. What do you think it's gonna smell like? You think it's gonna smell like peppermint? You think it's gonna smell like, you know, like the forest? No, it's one right here. I don't have a coffee with me, but basically this is exactly what it smells like. It smells like lavender, and it smells like a vanilla kind of latte. And that's what it is. That's a scent profile. It's lavender and vanilla latte. I chose this one because, one, I love lavender, super relaxing scent profile. I really enjoy it. And the latte, my wife loves lattes. She likes hazelnut lattes, but this one I thought was kind of be a little bit close. The bottle itself, like when you actually like look at the oil, like it honestly does look like a little bit like coffee. So it's definitely, I would say it's more on the latte side. It's more on the latte side than on the lavender. I think the lavender is kind of a really nice undertone to it, but the latte is just super sweet, creamy. The latte just kind of takes over the scent profile. But other than that, it smells really good. I do enjoy it, and you know, I'm usually it's in my rotation that I use, so you know, I'm using this at least like once a week, if not twice a week, and I really enjoy it. It's really nice. The next one here, it's called Grand Piano. Now, I need you to understand that as a musician, I love grand pianos. I can't play piano. I wish I could, though. You know, I really wish I could play piano, but I can't. I probably could if I tried, but I haven't done it yet. I know. But I really would like to try to play piano. But in the meantime, I'm going to try this thing known as Grand Piano, because this sounds like a really sweet profile for a beard oil. And I know you're thinking, what is that going to smell like? The way that I would describe this is that when I first started smelling it, it honestly smelled like it smelled like a grand piano. It just had that, it just embodies like all the wood that you would see in a grand piano. Like you could just, I don't know if you've ever been to like an old church building where they got like a grand piano, or a church where they have a grand piano, or you just see a grand piano, you go up to it and you can just smell the piano. I just love that. Like, it smells really good. And this right here is definitely like, this is the woodsy scent profile. On their website, this is basically what it is. It's fir balsam, cedarwood, vanilla, and black spruce. So I'm wearing the hat that basically, you know, it's tree cutting season, right? This right here is definitely like that tree cutting kind of scent profile. If I were to shake this, which I will, and give a little smell, I think the scent that really pops out the most is that, oh man, it's a mix. I feel like it's the balsam, but I also do believe it's a little bit of that cedar. I like both of those, like they just really pop. And to me, that is a really nice, relaxing, woodsy kind of scent profile. So I'm trying to hold on to this one as much as possible, because I want to enjoy this one. This one's a really good one. I really do like it a lot. And if you're into the woodsy kind of scent profiles, that's the one I think you want to choose. The final one is known as Penthouse. Now, Penthouse, the reason I wanted to choose this one, for a lot of different reasons. One, I wanted to choose this because, to be honest with you, the scent profile is exactly why. Key lime, bergamot, pink grapefruit, lemon. And all I could think about when I saw that lemon was like, man, this and the key lime, this just sounds, and I can already smell it. It smells like a wonderful summer scent profile. And I highly recommend that you guys try this one out, because this is, especially for the summertime, this one just, it slaps, man. It smells really, really good. It's just a very, really nice scent profile. I thoroughly enjoy this. So that's my one. That's my first one I would choose, and I go with Grand Piano, and then I would go with the Lavender Latte. Now, when you guys are probably sitting there thinking to yourself, okay, well, Scott, what's actually in this beard oil? Like, what makes it so enjoyable for yourself? And the actual oils that they use, like the carrier oils, like, I just want to read this to you guys because I think it's great. They use argan, which is, argan seed oil, fantastic carrier oil. They also have squalene, Camilla seed oil. They have another one on here, which is like it's called Rice Bran, and it's like I think that's like maybe like the second company, or I think it is the second company that I've used that uses Rice Bran, and my beard really does well with that one. It's the Metafoam seed oil. That's like, as soon as I saw these guys having Metafoam seed oil, I was like, I'm all for that. And what I love about Metafoam seed oil is that it locks in the hydration. So when I put this beard oil in, like, my beard feels hydrated throughout the entire day. I don't experience any kind of dryness, or I don't see it. Sometimes when you put in a beard oil, it seems like I don't know, like when you put it in, like it makes your beard feel like your beard hair kind of like a little bit rough still. Like, it's almost like it's kind of, it lost its, it kind of lost its, its flavor, it lost its mojo, so to speak. You don't see that with this, right? Like, you don't see that. Like, you will not lose the hydration with this. And that's not like me trying just to sell this to you. I'm literally meaning this when I've used it, like, for the weeks that I've been using it. This will now probably be one of my go-to beard oils that I'm going to be using because of the Metafoam seed oil, and the argan oil, the Camilla seed oil, the Rice Bran. Like all of them just really do super well together, and I think they nailed it with this one. So for me, I'm definitely going with this. Like, this is a really good beard oil, and I thoroughly enjoy it. Now, I'm gonna try something because I've never done this before. Because I'm gonna tell you this right now. I saw someone do a video about this, and I just thought this was hysterical. I'm pretty sure it was Dan C. Beard had talked about taste, right? Like what does it taste like? Here's the thing, and I think this is actually, like, this might be a new thing that I'm gonna put in my YouTube, like in my reviews, because that's a fair question. I don't know why I never thought of that before, but the question is what does it taste like? And here's the thing. Demonstration of this video, I just want to show you guys what this looks like in beard. So I'm gonna put the microphone over here for a quick second. This is what this guy looks in beard. So again, when you're using their product, you want to give it a nice shake. You want to shake, you want to stir, and you're going to put the oil into your hand. I like to do just the 2 droppers. I know some people are like, dude, that sounds like it's so much. Depending on the size of your beard, it's totally worth it. And then what you want to do is you want to take the oil, as you guys can see, like, it does have a little bit of like that nice, like, medium kind of viscosity to it, and it just smells amazing, man. And so what you do is you just put that into your skin. You want to put the oil into onto like the tip of your fingers. Use your palms. Also, too, big thing to kind of be mindful of: wash your hands. I already did, but wash your hands before you start touching your face. It's probably a good thing. And then, yeah, man, you just you put this into your beard, and again, you never forget the stash. And you put that in, and just for science, tastes like a lemon sucker. It really does. Oh wow, that actually tastes really good. I can't believe I just did that. No, but it tastes good. It honestly tastes good. I'm not no regrets. But guys, that is it. That is Top Hat Beard Co. Do I think this company is worth it? 100%, man. I really enjoy their beard oil, and I thoroughly have enjoyed using these products. The scent profiles, there's many more that I hope they will continue to create, and there are some on that website that I need to go get for myself. So go do yourself a favor. If you're Canadian, $25 is what will cost you for this beard oil on their website. If you're wondering all the other different products that they actually have, as I said to you, they have beard balms. Their beard balm, it looks like it's about $25 as well. They have beard butters, which you can, I haven't tried their beard butter yet, but it looks really good. It's also $25. There seems to be a theme here where everything is $25. And then they have like their beard wash and conditioner, and their beard wash and conditioner, if you want to get the duo, you want to get that tag team, that's going to cost you $60. But if you want to just get either you want to get the wash, or you want to get the so they call it the Daily Luxe Beard Lather, and then they also have the Luxe Beard Softener, and those are both $32 each. And I believe the one that I tried was the Luxe Beard Lather. So good, so good. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are doing super well. And as we like to say here at Burton's Beard Review, at least I like to say this, and I hope that you guys will say it with me. But as I like to say here on the channel, keep your stick on the ice and treat your beard to something nice. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.